One of the biggest challenges for marketing operations teams is making sure that reports are not only built, but also understood and consistently used by the rest of the organization. Training and onboarding often take hours of one-on-one sessions or repeated walkthroughs. With our latest update, we've made that process dramatically easier. We've added the ability to embed rich text and video widgets directly into any dashboard. This means you can add clear written instructions, usage notes, or even full video walkthroughs right alongside the data. No more searching for a separate document or asking for a training session. The guidance is right there where the user needs it most. For example, here I have new instructions on a tab where I've dropped on a rich text widget. This widget explains what this CMO summary report is showing, how to filter it, and when to use it. Anyone coming into this dashboard immediately understands the context without any extra effort. And if you prefer a video, we can just as easily go in here and add a new widget highlighting the exact walkthrough of this CMO report. So as you can see here, we've embedded this new screen recording that explains the report in even more detail. And with this, marketing ops can record once and scale that training across the organization. Every new team member sees the exact same guidance, ensuring consistency and saving hours of onboarding time. The best part is these widgets are fully customizable. You can create your own text, your own videos, and tailor the instructions to match your business processes. It's your dashboard, your training, built right into the workflow. With rich text and video widgets, dashboards don't just report data. They teach people how to use the data. This is another way we're helping teams reduce manual effort, scale their impact, and drive adoption across the business.